Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Welcome to the vCenter Deep Dive series. In this episode, I will show you how to access and log into the VAMI page. VAMI is also called as vCenter Appliance Management Interface, is used for managing your vCenter server appliance. Let's quickly jump into the video demonstration. So in my browser, I'm just opening up the vCenter VAMI UI. So at the end of the vCenter FQDN, you have to put a :5480 is a TCP port, is specific to the VAMI interface. If your vCenter is behind the firewall, make sure the TCP port 5480 is open in order to access the vCenter VAMI. Once the page is loaded, it will ask us to enter the username and password. The username is root and the password you set during the deployment. So even if you forget the password, don't worry. In the upcoming series, we'll demonstrate how to reset the root password for the vCenter. So once you enter the username and the password, click on the login button. So once you click on the login button, it'll be landed to the VAMI dashboard. So in the summary page, you will see the overall else status of the vCenter appliance. So here it is showing some amber alert, and it is pointing to the memory. We know it's running on the lab environment, so that is expected. We can safely ignore this. So on top of it, it shows like the vCenter FQDN name and the product. We know it's a vCenter server and the version on the build number. These two informations are required. When you raise a support case with a Broadcom, they might ask these two information. So here it shows the uptime since like how long this vCenter is up and running. And the next menu is the monitor. So in the monitor menu, like we can monitor the CPU on the memory metrics. There it has the timings, so you can go back the last day, what's happening, or last week. You can get the metrics for the as well. And the disk, you can monitor the disks of the vCenter. The vCenter as the multiple partitions, so you can monitor the partition growth. And the next thing is the network. So in a network, if you found any drop on the vCenter, you can able to monitor it. And the database, so you can monitor the database trend, like which partition is getting fill frequently and about to fill. And the next thing is like the logs. So in the log section, you can able to create a vCenter support bundle, or if the support bundle is already created, you can just click on the support bundle link and you can download, and even you can delete it. And there's one more area. You can create a support bundle, and the action, there is an option to create a support bundle. So in the actions, there are multiple action you can perform. We can reboot the vCenter, even we can shut down, and there's an option you can now change the vCenter VAMI UI to light mode to dark mode, and we'll walk through the next option as the access. So in the access settings, you can activate or deactivate the SSH login, the DC UI, and the console CLI, and the bash shell. By clicking the edit option, you can modify it accordingly. And the next thing is the network settings. So in the network settings tab, you can able to see like what is the IP address and DNS is configured for the vCenter from the UI perspective. And if you want to change anything, so just take a snapshot of the vCenter without a memory, and then proceed the changes. That is the best practice we have to follow whenever we make any changes on the vCenter. And the next thing is the firewall. So in the firewall, we can add a rule like allow or deny to restrict the access to the vCenter. And the next thing is the time. So in the time zone, we can be able to change the time zone. If it is incorrectly configured, you can change the time zone accordingly. And in the time synchronization, NTP server is recently decommissioned, and there is a new NTP server. So you can simply click on edit, and you can edit the NTP server year and the services. So you can monitor the overall service health here. So if it is anything is having a problem, it will shows a year, and in this state, you can just sort it with the state. You can get to know like what are the services we're running, and what are the services are in stop state. And the state type, there are some services which are showing automatic and some are showing manual. Those are in stop state. If you want to change anything from automatic to manual, even these things are not recommended until there is some recommendation from the Broadcom technical support. You can make the changes. If you like to restart some services, or you can simply click on the radio button and click on restart. If it is stop, you can start from here, or you can stop, and you can change the start type to automatic to manual using this option. And the next thing is the update. So in the update section, you can be able to update your vCenter. vCenter is managed by the SDDC manager. It's the best place to upgrade the vCenter from the SDDC manager UI itself. So in the history tab, you will able to see like so when it got patched, and the history of the upgrades and patching was happened for the vCenter. You will get the informations here. And the next tab is the administration. So in the administration tab, you will able to change the password of the root account and the password expiration settings. So this is a lab environment. The password expiration policy is set to no. Some organization have some policies for the password expiration, or you can just change that password expiration policy accordingly. And the next thing is the syslog server. So whatever the events or a trigger happen to the vCenter, and if you like to forward those events to the centralized log management service like a syslog or RHEL for logs, so you can configure it and forward the logs to the syslog server. The backup menu, you can configure the vCenter file level backup. So you can schedule the backup hourly, weekly, monthly, daily, as per your business requirement. So is there any disaster has happened, so still you have a valid backup on your FTP or SFTP server, so you can restore the backup. You can restore the vCenter using the file backup. So this is very much crucial for the restoration point. So that's it for this quick tutorial on accessing the VAMI page. In the next video, we'll explore more things about the VMware and the HeavySpear products. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. If you find that this tutorial is helpful and want me to support me in creating a more content, if you find this tutorial helpful and want me to support in creating more content, consider donating to help me to set up my lab PC. Your support will allow me to bring you deeper and hands-on demos and advanced configuration. So donation link is available on the description. You can donate me on PayPal and buy me a coffee. Thanks for watching this video. So we'll see you again in the next video. Bye.